So we are here with Sabrina. Cheers, honey, because we're about to do your hair. Come to our Ratchet Salon.
To be done.
It needs to be done. Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
I'm popping willies on a Wednesday.
What is up? Yes, I am back. It is just me today, but I also got Sabrina here. If you're wondering why Brittany's not here, it's because we both have jobs and we have shit to do, and we can't just sit around and film with each other all day long. But don't worry, because a video of me and her are going to start happening again, but we have to get things done. But guess what we are doing today? We are going to apply for Jenna's Ratchet Salon again. So if you remember the first time that we did it, it was for waxing. I know she already did waxing, but now we're going to do hair extensions. And so yes, Jenna, we need you, girl. But what we're actually going to do is put hair extensions in. And so these are actually like the, what are they called? Oh, so they're bead hair extensions, and so they look like this. Everyone should probably know. And I'm going to try to do them in Sabrina's hair. And so here's Sabrina. Say hey, girl.
Hi.
And so we're going to bead her hair, and these are all the hairs. How many are there?
I think around 250.
Around 250?
It's a pack.
It's a pack. And so she's straightening them right now. And so we have all the fun beads and stuff down here, and like little tools. So I'm gonna do a time lapse and put it on the tripod, and then just kind of like do it, and then we're just gonna pop some champagne and just see how it turns out. And so we're gonna get right back into the video. We're gonna finish straightening these, and then we're gonna get going. You see this? You see how tight these braids are? Do you see this shit? Look, zoom in. Boop. Do you see these hoes? Girl, Jenna, where you at? Where you at? Can you do this to your hair? like, it's 1:47. When we started it, it was what time?
I don't know.
We don't know what time it was, but I'm still on my drink right here, and so we're gonna finish it. Oh my god. Let me show you what time it is. It is 3:22 a.m. Yeah. That's some dedication. But can we look at this? Can we look at these locks? Can we look at these locks? Let's zoom this bitch out. Hand down. Can we look at this? Yes, honey. So Jenna, are we hired yet? We can do two things. We can do waxing and I can do hair extensions. So you need to hire us for your Ratchet Salon. But my energy is done. And so I'm closing out. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. We always put it down right here. You know the gig of that. And then we'll see you next time. Goodbye.